Have you ever wondered how a single shift in agricultural practices could revolutionize the way we grow our food and address the challenges facing traditional farming methods? In recent years, the world has witnessed precisely that with the emergence of greenhouse agriculture as a game changer. This innovative business opportunity offers a sustainable solution to the limitations of conventional farming by providing a controlled environment for cultivation. In this video, we embark on a journey through the complicated workings, numerous advantages, and profound significance of greenhouse agriculture. Additionally, we delve into its untapped potential in Africa and how harnessing this technology can unlock unprecedented economic opportunities for the continent. Welcome to the New Africa Wealth channel. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more informative videos. Greenhouse agriculture, often referred to as controlled environment agriculture, CEA, represents a modern approach to crop cultivation that operates within precisely regulated settings, commonly found in structures like greenhouses or polytunnels. Unlike traditional farming methods, which are heavily dependent on the unpredictability of natural environmental conditions, greenhouse agriculture harnesses a range of technologies to finely tune and optimize the growing environment. Central to the success of greenhouse agriculture are the control systems that manage variables such as temperature, humidity, light intensity, and irrigation. These technologies work harmoniously to create an ideal microclimate for plants to thrive in, irrespective of external weather patterns or seasonal fluctuations. Moreover, greenhouse agriculture offers a level of precision and control that is simply unattainable through conventional farming methods. For instance, automated climate control systems ensure that temperatures remain within the optimal range for plant growth, promoting healthy development and minimizing stress. Similarly, sophisticated irrigation systems deliver water and nutrients directly to the roots of plants, reducing wastage and ensuring efficient uptake. Greenhouses are meticulously constructed using a variety of materials such as glass or plastic, carefully designed to allow sunlight to permeate while effectively trapping heat inside. This architectural design not only shields crops from adverse weather conditions like harsh winds, heavy rainfall, or extreme temperatures, but also serves as a barrier against pests and diseases. The controlled environment within the greenhouse creates an idyllic growing environment where plants can thrive without being subjected to the vagaries of the external climate. This controlled environment fosters optimal growth conditions, leading to higher yields and superior crop quality. One of the key features of greenhouse agriculture is its sophisticated climate control systems, which are often automated to maintain precise environmental parameters. These systems regulate factors such as temperature, humidity, and ventilation within the greenhouse, ensuring that conditions remain conducive to plant growth throughout the year. This capability not only maximizes productivity, but also provides a steady and reliable supply of fresh produce, thereby meeting consumer demand and reducing dependency on seasonal fluctuations. In greenhouse agriculture, irrigation plays a crucial role in supplying water and nutrients to plants in the most efficient manner possible. Drip irrigation and hydroponic systems are commonly employed to deliver water and nutrients directly to the plant's roots, minimizing wastage and maximizing nutrient absorption. This targeted approach to irrigation not only conserves water, but also ensures that crops receive the precise amount of moisture and nutrients they need to thrive. As a result, greenhouse-grown crops are often healthier, more vigorous, and more resilient to environmental stressors compared to those grown using traditional irrigation methods. Supplemental lighting, such as light-emitting diodes, LEDs, is another essential component of greenhouse agriculture, especially in regions with limited sunlight or during the winter months. These artificial light sources extend the growing period, allowing crops to photosynthesize and grow even when natural sunlight is scarce. Moreover, supplemental lighting can enhance crop yields and accelerate growth rates, enabling greenhouse growers to maximize their production potential and meet the demands of an ever-expanding market. Greenhouse agriculture facilitates year-round production by providing a controlled environment that mitigates seasonal constraints. This continuous cultivation cycle ensures a steady supply of fresh produce, reducing reliance on seasonal harvests and enhancing food security for consumers. The optimized growing conditions within greenhouses translate into higher crop yields compared to traditional farming methods. This increased productivity not only boosts profitability for farmers, but also helps meet growing demands in local and global markets, fostering economic growth and stability in agricultural communities. Through efficient utilization of resources such as water, land, and energy, greenhouse agriculture promotes sustainability and environmental conservation. By minimizing resource wastage and maximizing efficiency, greenhouse growers can minimize their ecological footprint and contribute to the preservation of natural ecosystems. Moreover, the enclosed environment of greenhouses acts as a protective barrier against pests and diseases, reducing the need for chemical pesticides. This integrated pest management approach enhances crop quality and safety while minimizing the environmental and health risks associated with pesticide use, ensuring a sustainable and responsible farming practice. Also, greenhouse agriculture offers unparalleled opportunities for crop diversification, allowing farmers to cultivate a wide range of crops including fruits, vegetables, herbs, and flowers. This diversification not only enhances agricultural resilience to market fluctuations and climate change, but also opens up new avenues for innovation, entrepreneurship, and market differentiation within the agricultural sector. Greenhouse agriculture offers numerous opportunities in Africa. Let's explore some of these opportunities in detail. Firstly, greenhouse agriculture presents a promising solution to boost agricultural productivity in Africa. The region often faces challenges such as unpredictable weather patterns, water scarcity, and soil degradation, which hinder traditional farming methods. However, by creating a controlled environment, greenhouse agriculture allows farmers to regulate factors like temperature, humidity, and irrigation. This mitigates the effects of external conditions and enables consistent crop production throughout the year, ultimately enhancing food security and increasing agricultural productivity. Moreover, greenhouse agriculture offers African farmers improved access to lucrative markets. By cultivating high-value crops within greenhouses, farmers can produce premium quality produce that meets the stringent standards of domestic and international consumers. These crops often fetch higher prices in the market, leading to increased profitability for farmers. Additionally, greenhouse-grown crops are less susceptible to weather fluctuations, ensuring a reliable supply of produce for buyers such as retailers, restaurants, and export markets. Furthermore, greenhouse agriculture fosters entrepreneurial ventures and investment opportunities in agribusiness. Beyond crop cultivation, entrepreneurs can explore ventures related to greenhouse technology, including construction, installation of climate control systems, and development of innovative irrigation solutions. Additionally, value-added activities such as processing, packaging, and marketing of greenhouse-grown produce further contribute to the sector's growth. Collaboration and innovation within the greenhouse sector drive economic development and job creation in Africa's agricultural industry. Lastly, greenhouse agriculture plays a crucial role in building climate resilience in Africa. With the continent experiencing the impacts of climate change, such as shifting rainfall patterns and rising temperatures, traditional farming practices are increasingly vulnerable. However, by providing a controlled environment, greenhouse agriculture helps mitigate the risks associated with climate variability. Farmers can regulate factors like temperature, humidity, and irrigation to ensure continuous crop production, safeguarding incomes, and strengthening food security. In essence, greenhouse agriculture offers a sustainable and resilient approach to farming, addressing the challenges posed by climate change while unlocking economic opportunities for African farmers. Undoubtedly, agriculture offers a multitude of benefits and significant financial rewards. Across the globe, numerous individuals have amassed fortunes, some even reaching billions, through their endeavors in agriculture. In the following section, we will delve into strategies aimed at maximizing profitability and increasing earnings in the agricultural sector. Firstly, diversification is a key strategy for increasing revenue in agriculture. By cultivating a variety of crops or raising different types of livestock, farmers can spread their risk and capitalize on market opportunities. Diversification not only helps mitigate the impact of adverse weather conditions or market fluctuations on individual crops, but also allows farmers to cater to diverse consumer preferences. Moreover, incorporating value-added activities such as processing, packaging, or branding can significantly enhance the profitability of agricultural products. By adding value to their produce, farmers can command higher prices and capture a larger share of the market. Secondly, adopting sustainable farming practices can yield long-term financial benefits while also promoting environmental stewardship. Practices such as conservation tillage, organic farming, and agroforestry not only improve soil health and biodiversity, but also reduce input costs associated with fertilizers, pesticides, and fuel. Additionally, sustainable farming practices enhance resilience to climate change, reducing the risk of crop failures and production losses. Investing in sustainable agriculture not only generates economic returns, but also contributes to the overall sustainability and resilience of the agricultural sector. Furthermore, leveraging technology and innovation can unlock new revenue streams in agriculture. Precision agriculture technologies such as GPS-guided tractors, drones, and sensor-based irrigation systems enable farmers to optimize resource use and maximize yields. Additionally, advancements in biotechnology and genetic engineering offer opportunities to develop high-yielding crop varieties or disease-resistant livestock breeds. Embracing digital platforms and e-commerce channels can also facilitate direct marketing to consumers, eliminating intermediaries and increasing profit margins for farmers. Additionally, accessing financial support and market opportunities through agricultural cooperatives or producer groups can enhance profitability for small-scale farmers. By pooling resources and collective bargaining, farmers can negotiate better prices for inputs, access credit facilities, and gain access to larger markets. Cooperatives also provide opportunities for value addition and processing, allowing members to capture more value from their produce. Moreover, participating in certification schemes or premium markets for organic, fair trade, or specialty products can command higher prices and premium returns for farmers. Lastly, investing in education, training, and capacity-building initiatives can empower farmers with the knowledge and skills needed to improve productivity and profitability. Training programs on modern agricultural practices, financial management, and market access can equip farmers with the tools to make informed decisions and optimize their operations. Moreover, networking and knowledge-sharing platforms enable farmers to learn from each other's experiences, adopt best practices, and stay updated on industry trends. By investing in human capital development, farmers can unlock their full potential and maximize their earning potential in agriculture. Thank you for watching today's video. Can greenhouse agriculture pave the way to million-dollar opportunities for African farmers? Kindly leave your comments and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the New Africa Wealth channel for more informative videos.